Here's how my day begins aboard the yacht. Cleaning the upper deck today. Lots of carbon buildup from passing boats and vehicles. When cleaning the yacht's exterior, it's best to start early. The water pressure's strong and the sun isn't too hot yet. For now, I don't have a crew, so I handle the exterior cleaning myself. It's important to do it early. Carbon and dust are much harder to remove if left too long. Do you think maintaining a yacht is easy? Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Don't be afraid to take time, learn. Not every day has to be productive. Sometimes just showing up is enough. Thank you for watching.